what are some of the common misconceptions or fears, that beginners might have, which you might have come across regarding meditation, and how can they overcome it?
So the most common one is, oh, I can't sit. So coming from Ayurveda, you can see that, that everybody is going through a high vata. As you are growing older, your vata is increasing.
Right.
And especially the people who say, oh, I can't sit still. One day or the other, you will have to do it. So might as well do it now and have a smooth flowing mind-body experience.
Right.
Or later, there'll be stagnation. Of course, I am not an expert, or there's no medical advice here. But I have noticed the people who have come to me and who have said that I can't meditate, and when they come into it, they experience it faster. They have joy. They connect with it faster, because we people, I'm also Vata. I need it. And Vata, like I said, everybody has that. 80% of the issues, be it mind, body, spirit, are with our Vata increasing. Vata is not bad. Vata is your creativity. But to balance that, to add Kapha into your life, and that is immunity. Meditation also brings in that space. Your immunity, healing, mind power. There is a meditation, like you were talking about, the medical. Now, on the Alzheimer's preventative website, they have a Kundalini meditation listed as preventative.
Yeah, it is. I can absolutely, because mind has the power to heal. So there's so many things that your mind can actually even signal to your body to start the healing process, and that's what happens in the night anyway when we are sleeping, right? That's your body's healing process. That's a huge thing. And today's, of course, hustle and bustle. It's, we are spending late nights, waking up late in the night, and then hardly getting any sleep. People think it's okay, oh, I only sleep for, yes, you can get good quality of sleep, but it's extremely important. And meditation, of course, also helps you to sleep better, which is also very, very important.
It's interesting you brought that up, because there's this meditation called Yoga Nidra.
Right, absolutely.
So what is that? That is basically going into that sleep state, but not going to sleep.
Yeah.
So sleep state means a complete relaxed state of mind, body, spirit.
True.
And that is guided meditation. So, going back again. So I'm glad this came to mind. You were asking what are the tips. Going for guided meditation sessions.
Yeah.
If somebody feels they can't sit still, that way you have guided meditation where you have the teacher voicing what to think, and you follow that chain of thought. And that is Yoga Nidra too. Powerful healing, settling of your mind.
Right.